Hey, what's going on, guys? Kyle over at Elite Edge Gym here, and today I'm going to talk to you about a variation of our bench press that we use on a semi-regular basis. This is going to be called a Spoto press. Now, a Spoto press is going to be very similar to your regular bench press, okay? So as far as where you set your hands and where you set up your body in relation to the bench when you first start, you're going to want to refer back to our bench press video, okay? With a Spoto press, I'm gonna bring that bar down right about to 1 inch off of my chest, okay? And I'm gonna pause it for a second, just off of my chest, and then I'm gonna press it. Because I'm not actually touching my chest, but leaving it just a little bit off and pausing for a second, this is actually gonna make it a little bit harder than a regular bench press, okay? So you're gonna want to, for your clients, have them use a little bit lighter weights. Now I'm gonna demonstrate this for you. Same as usual on our bench press, we're gonna get a good setup first. Now, key, and this is gonna be an important coaching cue for you, when I'm bringing the bar down on Spoto press, the thing that's gonna keep that bar stable are the muscles on the other side of my body, my back. So I wanna keep those nice and tight the entire time. So I'm gonna bring that bar down, I'm gonna pause right about 1 inch off my chest, and then press. Finishing right over our shoulders, okay? But you really gotta focus on squeezing your lats as you're bringing that bar. That's gonna keep the bar nice and stable at the bottom position. Anyway, give those coaching cues a try next time we use a Spoto press as the advanced option on our upper body strength day workout.